Hey folks, the Doppler network was busy much of the day today, and we're still picking up spotty showers right in the northern edge of the valley. In other words, just north of Rio Grande City. But the bigger stuff has been out over Zapata County, then down into northern Mexico from there. A lot of this will end up in the lake. It's not enough to make a big difference, but at least it's going up instead of down. Here's where rain fell today, and almost everywhere from Brownsville all the way up to Falcon Lake got something. Some places getting more than others. Take a look in and around Roma, 2.5 inches or so, back into Mexico as well. As you move eastward down the highway, you can see that parts of Starr County, the eastern part, got about 1.5 inches of rain, maybe 2.3 right near Sullivan City. Then you move eastward into Alton, just northwest of there, a little over 1 inch, 1.5 inches. North McAllen about 1/2 inch, about the same thing in parts of Edinburgh. And then the lower valley where it rained hard this morning, 2.9 about Bayview, and about 1/2 inch on the north end of South Padre Island. Then around the port of Brownsville, about 2.5 inches. So it's pretty good rain in parts of the valley today. Now, Future Track says that tonight a scattering of showers could pop up, but then during the daytime tomorrow, again, a mix of clouds and sun, but scattered showers and thunderstorms during the course of the daytime. This is the high-resolution model, and notice on Sunday it triggers spotty showers again, but again, nothing is widespread. I think today was probably the busiest day. Tomorrow, a little less active. Sunday, a little less active than that. And by Monday, you're talking really isolated stuff. What kind of rain are we talking about? Well, Future Track says between now and tomorrow night at this time, you're looking at an average of about 1/2 inch across the area. Could be isolated amounts of more than that. If you get under a convective thunderstorm, you can end up with a quick 1 to 2 inches, but most places end up with about 1/2 inch. And then by Sunday night, totals go up to an average of about 3/4. So you get a feeling for what we're looking at. It's not, again, widespread heavy rain, but isolated storms are possible. Chance of rain steps down 40, 20, and then 10 by the time we get to Monday. Temperature-wise, here's where we are right now, upper 70s and low 80s across the region. Low temperatures tonight, 70s, that's it, except at the beach, about 80 there. And then tomorrow we climb back in the 90s again, but probably still not quite up to the normal for this time of year, which is 95. We're going 90, 91, 93 over the next 3 days with records all up over 100 degrees. Here's the storm system kind of moving into our region. A little low sitting offshore. That'll continue pushing westward tomorrow, giving us that continued chance for rain. By Sunday, it begins to fade away, but there's still some moisture around. By Tuesday, that moisture starts to fade away, and I think after that, we're pretty well mainly dry for most of next week. Tropics are active now. Hurricane Beryl in the Atlantic. All signs are once it gets into the middle of the Caribbean, it should fade away. A lot of shear right here. Depression number 3 probably staying off the east coast, but we'll be watching that, it looks like, for quite some time in the days ahead. So for tonight across the valley, 75, spotty shower thunderstorm, variable winds, light, about 3 to 8 miles an hour. Then tomorrow we're back up to 92, shower thunderstorm, about 40% the odds for tomorrow. The next 7 days, a little bit of sunshine each day, but more and more each day. 93, 94, 95, and then 97s by the middle part of next week, with the best chance of rain being tomorrow at about 40%.